Hey, welcome to Quick Bytes, where we bring you tech, science, and entertainment news quick, fast, and swiftly. My name is Evan. Let's dive in. Take a deep breath. The air you breathe is roughly 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% argon. On average, we breathe in this very specific mixture around 672 million times in our lives. Of course, this mixture of elements is all in the form of gas. But what if we could breathe it in the form of liquid? Well, if you've seen James Cameron's The Abyss, you're probably already familiar with this concept. But what you might not know is that this isn't just pure science fiction, it's actually real. The reason we can't breathe in water has far less to do with the fact that it's liquid when we're meant to breathe in a gas, but more to do with the elements that make up water, and the lack of dissolved oxygen that we need to survive. So breathing in water doesn't work, but what if we breathe in a liquid version of all the elements we breathe in the air? Well, first, you might be wondering, why would we want to do this? The same reason as in The Abyss, to deep sea dive down to the depths of the ocean where we've never been before. But first, this episode is sponsored by Elk Products. Enhance your home with state-of-the-art security and automation control technology to make your home safer with more efficient energy management. Visit www.elkproducts.com for more. The reason we can't dive to the bottom of Earth's oceans right now is because the pressure from the water compresses our lungs to a point where we wouldn't be able to breathe through our oxygen tanks. However, liquids can't be compressed the same way gases can, so having lungs full of liquid wouldn't be a problem at all. But what is a problem is finding the right liquid that can contain all the elements we need to breathe in order to survive. One liquid medium that has potential are perfluorocarbons, or PFCs. These liquids have the capability of carrying all the respiratory gases we need. The issue is they are nearly twice the density of water, which would make it very difficult for our lungs and diaphragm to push in and out. However, this wasn't enough to stop researchers from testing it out. The Office of Naval Research conducted an experiment where they submerged a human in well-oxygenated liquid, and indeed he was able to breathe. However, afterwards he developed pneumonia as they were unable to remove all the liquids from his lungs. So as you can see, there are some major obstacles that need to be overcome if humans are going to be able to breathe in liquid. And at the time being, it seems very likely that it'll never happen. However, our efforts are not in vain. A lot has come from these experiments and research. There is promise that breathing liquids can help stabilize the lungs of prematurely born infants, and could also treat acute lung injuries. But we would love to hear your thoughts on liquid ventilation, so please let us know in the comments below.